I swear I was about to go sideways. Let's go. Come on.
Just going on the video?
Yeah. If you do well. All right, that's good enough.
Kobe!
God bless America. Well, we are back for a little bonus race. Doing a little different, there's a slight variation on the course we just did, but now in reverse and with a singular joker lap. So let's see how this goes. We're going! I was not waiting for that flag. I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming. Oh boy, we are spinning. Oh boy, we have a loss of traction there. Oh goodness. Okay, so you're not allowed to... Okay, I understand what's happening. Oh boy, I have no traction on these back tires. That's funny, Steve. He's just taking it every time. Oh boy, I'm trying to like leverage this traction problem I have in the back and still trying to go as quick as possible here. I don't know why I'm saying these things. It's like obvious. That's what you obviously would have to do here. That's just how you have to do things. I maybe should just take it immediately, to be honest. Let's just get it out of the way, huh? Because I don't think we're going to lap anybody. So we might as well just get as much clear space as we possibly can. Oh, we are not doing that well at all. We are not doing that well at all. Ugh. This kart's a little bit of a struggle, so we'll see how it goes. It feels fine enough, but we got some things that we gotta deal with here. That's for sure. Yeah, we're still losing traction there. Well, in this edition of like Justin's TikTok page is like bizarre. Does anybody else happen to get Marcus the Worm on their TikTok page? He is my new favorite thing. It's this character from VR chat, and he's just like this worm with like this old man robotic AI voice who just happens to be like residing in a Kmart and like hunting the cartel. I don't know. It's like, I'm not doing it justice. It's hilarious. If you like weird things and haven't seen it, I'm going to put a link in the description because he is my new favorite thing. Oh boy, I lost so much traction there. Oh my god. I swear I was about to go sideways. I was about to spin out. Maybe I gotta stop talking about the worm. I need to concentrate more. That was... I have not experienced a slide like that in a long time. Where I just started sliding sideways through the turn. And if I didn't react, I was gonna be sideways all on my own. Oh boy, that was crazy. All right, we gotta be a little careful. I don't like, there's people who haven't taken their jokers, I'm sure, so I don't know where they are. I just gotta try to get as much space as possible. I feel like I am pulling away, so that's good. Somebody just took a joker. Okay, Jackson did. All right. Oh, let's go! I didn't even know it was the last one. Let's go, good race. Well, if you like what you saw, make sure you hit the old like and subscribe button. I greatly appreciate the support. Thank you. Ow!